Hi all, welcome to learning and manual testing. So today we are going to learn about the inter point of view questions, nothing but regression versus retesting. We know the in previous class what is regression, right? Regression versus retesting. So I'm not going to give any information about regression because we already learned what is regression in the previous class. So I will only focus on sorry. I will only focus on retesting. Okay, regression versus retesting. Or what else? What I will do? I'll copy the definitions. Okay, regression definition in previous class for time being. This is a definition for regression. So just I'm copy paste here. I'm not going to explain the definition of regression because it is there in the previous class. So the next is retesting, right? Retesting. When we'll consider retesting? When we'll call it as retesting? So let's take an example. Developer has I have found an issue or I have found a defect. So I report the defect to developer. Developer see the defect and they thought yes, it is a valid defect. What they will do? They will try to fix the defect, right? Whenever they try to fix the defect, they fix the defect. Again, they will ask the QA team to recheck. Regression means repeat. Retesting is nothing but recheck. Okay, retesting. So nothing but I need to recheck whether I could again see the defect in the application or not. I need to retest whether the defect is fixed or not. So this is the retesting. So whenever developer gives code fix for a failed test case, QA team has to recheck whether the code fix is working fine or not. This is another retesting. What is the difference between regression and retesting? So let's take the differences. Okay. First one, obvious. We know the definition, right? Definitions. Okay, remove the definition. No definitions. I will have a definition here. Definition of regression. Here also. Okay. Definition of retesting. This first difference. The second one is which one will be first? Whether regression is first or retesting is first. You see the regression. I will do the repeated things, right? First of all, we written in the note, right? Regression has to be done, which means all the test case initial phase, the all the test case has to be passed, which means nothing but failed test case also retested and passed. Here, initial step or initial step in regression is nothing but all the test case has to be passed, right? Which is nothing but whenever we have failed test case, it has been retested and it has been passed. Nothing but retesting is fast when compared to regression. So it starts after retesting. Okay, what I will do, first of all, I will write here retesting here only. Here I will write regression, and it will be fine. Definition of regression. Definition of regression. Okay, it starts. Okay, when it starts before regression. So obvious. It starts after retesting. Whenever the failed test case has been passed, then only we need to do the regression. Okay, that's why retesting has been done before regression. And obvious it contains only failed test case, right? Because I'm only dealing with failed test case. Okay, it contains failed test case. But whereas here it contains already passed test cases. First round has been passed, okay, right? So all the test cases has been passed, then only I'll go for regression. And regression also will take multiple test cases, so which are already passed. So it contains already passed test cases. The fourth one, only one failed test case. Here multiple passed test cases. Okay, sorry, the last differences. So retesting is nothing but, so defect is fixed, I need to retest, right? So it always follows the manual process, manual testing. Sometimes we go for automation, sometimes only okay manual. Okay, maximum to prefer to manual only. So obvious doing the repetitive things, right? Why I need to go for again manual? Human efforts, right? Waste of human efforts. That's why I go for automation. Automation testing is preferred here. So these are the few differences between, sorry, there's a few difference between manual testing and there's a few difference between retesting and regression. Okay, inter point of view, this is very important. Okay, that's it for the day. Thank you.